Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Kaizen Certification contains in-depth information on important aspects related to the art of Kaizen, like meaning, elements, goals, foundations, principles of Kaizen, Kaizen models, implementation of Kaizen in the organization. It also delves into areas like the organizational transition to Kaizen and roles and responsibilities of the important team members and the team leaders. What's going on? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial, and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. And comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Kaizen is a Japanese term meaning change for better or continuous improvement. It is a Japanese business philosophy regarding the processes that continuously improve operations and involve all employees while doing so. If you're planning to boost your career as well as your personal and social life by making continuous improvements based on Kaizen principles, this is the course for you. The certification course has been designed so that it is easily understood by beginners and people new to Kaizen, apart from those having the basic knowledge already. The Kaizen approach consists of 5 founding elements: teamwork, personal discipline, improved morale, quality circles, suggestions for improvement. This is a 6-lesson course, and I will touch on some of the lessons and what it will cover. Lesson 1 will give you the introduction to Kaizen and the history behind it all. You will learn the purpose and the benefits of getting certified in this skill set. Lesson 3, you will learn the 5S or can do, which is a loop you repeat the steps regularly to make sure that the workplace remains clean and efficient. Can do is the westernized version of the 5S, and it stands for clearing, arrangement, neatness, discipline, organization, creating a process or orientated thinking, automation, and ways on getting your employees involved. Lesson 5 will go over how to communicate the change to the employees and to encourage their input as well. Identifying the tools you will need to gather data, how to have an open forum and discuss the current state of your business, department, or position everyone is in, and how to re-engineer your business process. You will also get an introduction to TQM, which is Total Quality Management, which also has continuous improvements as one of its goals, but it is important to point out that Kaizen and TQM are not the same. Total Quality Management also has continuous improvements as one of its goals, but it is important to note that Kaizen and TQM are not the same. TQM has many practical benefits and emphasizes the use of various tools and techniques, whereas Kaizen is more philosophical in its approach. As a philosophy, Kaizen is about building a culture where all employees are actively engaged in suggesting and implementing improvements to the company. In truly lean companies, it becomes a natural way of thinking for both managers and plant floor employees. Kaizen works hand in hand with standardized work. Standardized work captures the current best practices for a process, and Kaizen aims to find improvements for those processes. Note the emphasis on current. Standardized work is living documentation. It continually evolves through Kaizen. Please keep in mind there is always room to make small improvements, challenge the status quo, and tune processes and practice on an everyday basis. In fact, you and your colleagues probably do this week in and week out without calling it change or even continuous improvement. You're already getting real benefit from the intuitive approach to continuous improvement, and over time, all of these incremental changes add up and make a significant positive impact on your team and organization. Kaizen aims for improvement in productivity, effectiveness, safety, waste reduction, and those who follow the approach often find a whole lot more in return, such as less waste, inventory is used more efficiently in our employee skills, improved retention, which satisfies engaged people are more likely to stay, improved teams, working together to solve problems, help build and strengthen the existing teams. People are more satisfied they have a direct impact on the way things are done. All of these translate to money saving and turn potential losses into profit. Many thanks for taking some time out to check my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done and I will reply back to you. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have a page online certification where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails that has certification courses as well you may have an interest in. I hope to see you on the next tutorial. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.